Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Desin Mondo. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified with my new videos. And if you're finding my videos as useful, do like and share the video with your family members and friends. Today in this video, I'll be telling about the most powerful medicinal plants and the science behind them. The plants which I'm going to discuss have the most numerous high quality studies and are the safer choices among herbal medicines. Ginkgo. Ginkgo is one of the oldest tree species and one of the oldest homeopathic plant and a key herb in Chinese medicines. The leaves are used to create capsules, tablets, extracts, and when dried can be consumed as a tea. So the best known fact about ginkgo is that it has ability to boost brain health. Studies have proven that ginkgo can treat patients with mild to moderate dementia and can slow congestion decline in dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Recent research is looking into a component that can help diabetes, and there continue to be more studies including an animal study that says it might influence bone healing. One of the interesting fact about ginkgo tree that it is considered as a living fossil with fossils dating from 270 million years ago. These trees can live up to 3000 years. Ginkgo could be beneficial for dementia, Alzheimer's disease, eye health, inflammation, diabetes, bone healing, anxiety, and depression. The long-term use of ginkgo may increase chance of thyroid and liver cancer, which has been seen in rats. It's known to be hard on the liver, so liver enzymes may need to be monitored. It can interact with blood thinners. Ginkgo seeds are poisonous if ingested. Side effects includes headache, stomach upset, dizziness, and allergic reaction. Ginkgo use needs to be discussed with your doctor before of numerous drug interactions. Turmeric. Turmeric is believed to have anti-cancer property and can prevent DNA mutation. As an anti-inflammatory, it can be taken as a supplement, and it is also being used topically for people with arthritis who wish to relieve discomfort. It is used worldwide as a cooking ingredient, which make it a delicious antioxidant-rich addition to many dishes. According to recent research, turmeric is also showing promise as a treatment for variety of dermatologic diseases and joint arthritis. One of the interesting fact about turmeric is that it has been used as a medicinal herb for 4000 years. It's a tentpole of an Indian alternative medicinal practice called Ayurveda. Turmeric could be beneficial for pain caused by inflammatory diseases like arthritis, preventing cancer, stopping DNA mutation, and several other skin diseases. Turmeric, when used as a supplement, people tend to take too much, so it can be difficult to trust the dosage and quality. Safety increases when ingested as an herb in cooking or tea. Long term use can potentially cause stomach problems. Turmeric has low bioavailability. Consuming with pepper can help your body absorb more of its benefits. Evening primrose oil. The vibrant yellow evening primrose flower produces an oil that thought to alleviate the symptoms of PMS, which is nothing but premenstrual syndrome and skin conditions. Some of the studies have found that evening primrose oil has anti inflammatory properties. It's been known to help with conditions such as atopic dermatitis and diabetic neuropathy. It can also help with other health concerns such as breast pain. Recent research points to improving the quality of life for patients with multiple sclerosis, changing hormones and insulin sensitivity in those dealing with polycystic ovary syndrome, and using it topically to improve mild dermatitis. One of the interesting fact about evening primrose flower is that they are also called as moon flowers because they bloom as the sun begins to set. People often say that these flowers smell like lemons. Evening primrose oil could be beneficial for PMS, which is nothing but premenstrual syndrome, mild skin conditions, breast pain, menopause, inflammation, diabetic neuropathy, multiple sclerosis, PCOS, which is nothing but polycystic ovarian syndrome, and blood pressure. Evening primrose oil may interact with some blood clotting medications, and the safety of this oil during pregnancy is also uncertain. It can also interfere with drug absorption during HIV treatment and can interact with lithium for bipolar disorder. And the long term use of this medicine is considered to be as unsafe. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is also available as an oil, is one of the safer choices among plant-based dietary supplements. Harvested for thousands of years, today flaxseed is praised for its antioxidant activity and anti-inflammatory benefits. Although more research needs to be done with human subjects, one study says that flaxseed can help prevent colon cancer. Another study cites that flax seeds has the ability to reduce blood pressure. When consumed, it can even aid in reducing obesity. Many people add flaxseed and flaxseed meal to oatmeal and smoothies, and it's also available in the form of tablet, oil, and flour. One of the interesting fact about flaxseed is that it is one of the basic plant-based source for omega-3 fatty acid. Other sources includes the chia seeds, walnut and soybeans. Flax seeds could be beneficial for decreasing obesity, regulating blood pressure, preventing colon cancer and inflammation. Flax seeds can affect estrogen production in women, especially if they have a history of cancer or are pregnant. Do not eat raw or unripe flax seeds as they are toxic. Tea tree oil. The tea tree, which is native to Australia, produces an oil that's long been thought to be beneficial for skin conditions, including mild acne, athlete's foot, small wounds, dandruff, insect bites, and other inflammatory skin conditions. There is need to be further study into acne and scalp use, but for now, there is a degree of research into the antimicrobial superpowers of tea tree oil on wounds and topical infections. One recent study said that tea tree oil slows the growth of acne causing microbes. It's commonly used as a highly concentrated essential oil. One of the interesting fact about tea tree oil is that it is derived from the leaves of a tree that's native to Queensland and New South Wales, Australia. Tea tree oil could be beneficial for acne, athlete's foot, cuts, dandruffs, and insect bites. Tea tree oil is poisonous if taken orally. Your skin could experience an allergic reaction and it may also influence hormones, and long term use of this oil is not recommended. Grapeseed extract. For years, grapeseed extract, which is available via liquid, tablets, or capsules, has been well established for its antioxidant activity. It has potent health benefits, including lowering the bad cholesterol and reducing symptoms of poor circulation in the leg veins. Studies are confirming that regular consumption of grapeseed extract has anti-cancer effect and seems to halt cancer cell growth. One of the interesting fact about grapeseed extract is that it contains the same antioxidants found in wine. Grapeseed extracts could be beneficial for cancers, lowering the bad cholesterol, leg vein circulation, and blood pressure. Grapeseed oil may reduce iron absorption. Lavender. If you experience anxiety, chances are that someone along the way has recommended that you use lavender essential oil and for good reasons. This aromatic purple flower has a very strong standing among studies which have mainly focused on its anti anxiety capacities. It's proven to be soothing in a study conducted among dental patients, while another study confirmed that lavender can directly impact mood. It's also been commended for its sedative properties to help people get much needed sleep. Recently, it's been discovered that lavender carries anti inflammatory benefits as well. Its most effective diluted and applied to the skin are used in aromatherapy and it has few side effects. One of the interesting facts about lavender is that it was first brought to Provence, France by the Romans 2000 years ago. Lavender could be beneficial for anxiety, stress, blood pressure, and migraine. It can cause skin irritation. It's poisonous if it is taken orally, and it can also disturb hormone when applied undiluted. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. And if you feel this video as an useful one, do like it and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.